Hey everyone, Patrick here from Parts Select, and in this video we're going to take the front cover off a top-load washer and put it through a stress test using bowling balls to unbalance the tub. An unbalanced washing machine tub is loud and annoying, but it can also cause real damage to your washer. Too much stress on shock-absorbing parts like the suspension springs, damper pads, and tub dampening straps can cause them to break, bend, or snap. Loading your washer evenly will minimize the daily wear and tear of these parts, helping to increase the overall life of these parts and your washing machine as a whole. But loading your washer unevenly puts a ton of extra and unnecessary stress on it and can quickly push these parts to their breaking point. Here you can see a massive difference in movement between a properly balanced load of laundry and a severely unbalanced load. If you put this kind of stress on your washer regularly, don't be surprised when it quits on you. To avoid unbalancing a top-load washing machine, you should load clothes, blankets, and anything else evenly around your agitator every time. If you have a front-load machine without an agitator, avoid loading compact, heavy items in with only a few lighter items. Loading a pillow in with a pair of socks will cause a significant imbalance that you will want to avoid. Now the fun part. Let's put a few washers through our stress test and see just what it looks like when your tub goes from balanced to severely unbalanced. When properly running a load of laundry, there shouldn't be a ton of side-to-side movement from the tub. But let's add a slight imbalance with this 3-pound bowling ball. Already, we can see a visible shake. This isn't too dramatic, but definitely adds a lot of unnecessary strain to the washing machine over time. A more moderate 6-pound imbalance really gets the washer tub moving around. You really want to avoid this anytime you can. And with a severe imbalance of 12 pounds or more, these washing machines are doomed. So, the moral of the story is, if you hear your washer thumping around violently, be quick to stop it and reload it more evenly. Even if your model is sturdy enough to take a good beating, letting it run while unbalanced can cost you big time down the road. For any repairs you need to make to your washing machine, dryer, or any home appliance, be sure to visit partselect.com and enter your model number. We have the parts you need and will deliver them right to your doorstep. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks so much for watching.